Hi, in front of me is Oukitel C33 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll all the way down to access system. Then select gestures over here and tap on one-handed mode under system navigation. If you are using 3 buttons, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit got it in the pop-up and make sure that pull screen into reach is on. Lastly, to use one-handed mode, just tap on the shortcut. You can go back to the standard size by tapping on the same one or clicking on this area at the top. You can even swipe up. In order to disable the shortcut, tap on the same switcher again. If you are using gestures though, after going into one-handed mode settings, click on this switcher next to use one-handed mode. Then make sure to tap on pull screen into reach if it's not already on and follow all of those instructions. The tap of the screen will move into reach of your thumb and I have to pull down the top half of my screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back the same way. If you wish to disable it, click on this switcher next to use one-handed mode. And if it's gray, that means that one-handed mode is definitely off. If you wish to switch back to Tricky's navigation, you can go back, click on System Navigation above one-handed mode, and hit 3 button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!